olduk. Bakıldığında
deprem oluyor. Çok şiddetli bir deprem oluyor şu anda. Çok şiddetli bir deprem oluyor. Çok şiddetli bir deprem oluyor. İstanbul'da hissedilen çok şiddetli bir deprem oluyor.
Footage recorded in Istanbul showed the effects of a 6.2 magnitude earthquake that was felt in the Turkish city on Wednesday, April 23rd. Turkey's Emergency Management Ministry, AFAD, said the epicenter of the earthquake was off the coast in the Sea of Marmara. Abdulkadir Uraloglu, the Minister for Transport and Infrastructure, said initial inspections did not reveal damage to highways, airports, railways, or subways. Officials said no reports of major damage or loss of life had been made. The Istanbul Governor's Office did, however, warn people not to enter buildings damaged or thought to be damaged.